Also, be aware that once you have created your new channel, you have the option to create as many channels as you like by clicking on your profile image. Come down to Settings. Click on Add or Manage your channels. I can now add a new channel to the list by clicking in the box with the plus icon here. When you do this, you got to remember that you can create as many new channels as you like with your Google account, but when you want to monetize any of the channels that you got, you always got to use the same AdSense account to receive money from your channel content once you're eligible to start making money from your videos. So in other words, you can have multiple channels, but only one Google AdSense account. So I'm just going to go back to my Simple Country Living channel by switching accounts. So the next step is to verify your channel. This is going to give you access to extra features for your channel. So you want to come up here again to your profile image, come down to Settings, click on Channel Status and Features. You can see that these are the different things that you can have access to, and the way to access them is to verify your channel. Click on Verify Phone Number, select your country. You can either do it with an automated text message, or you can get a text message sent to your phone, then enter the verification code, and your channel is now verified. So you can see that it doesn't take much to verify your channel, and you can see straight away that we have access now to videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and more. So once all these features are enabled, you can move across to Advanced Setting. This is something that you will need to specify, so whether you're creating content that is made for kids or not. So you can choose the option, yes, this channel is made for kids, so it's going to have kids content on it, or no, this channel is not made for kids. You also have a third option here. I want to review this setting for every video, so you can manually set this on a per video basis as well.